What's up, guys? This is Pokemaster of NY back at it again with another triple 3-pack blisters. I'm doing ones with the legendary birds. I got a lot of Steam Siege in here. I just noticed that. One breakthrough, so this is going to be kind of fun. Thanks to GameStop, they were all cheap. Thanks to GameStop, I got all these guys. Doing good, you know? So, let's see what I get. We're going to start with Moltres, then go to Zapdos, then end with Articuno, because I'm a water type fiend. Let's get this popping. We're gonna get this popping with some Steam Siege packs. There you go. Lately, I've been doing this thing where I don't even want to look at the code card. I just actually go through it because that's what I want to do. So, let's go. Let's get this going. I got a Larvesta. Hold on, let's move this out the way. A Meowth. A Mantine. A Mareep. A Yanma. A Larvesta reverse hollow. And the rare is a Ampharos hollow. That's kind of nice. Okay. Got something there. We got something there. A Gardevoir Spirit Link. A Dewalt. And a Klefki. Alright. So let's see what I get in our next pack. Where's the... Oh, there's the packs. I almost lost the pack, guys. Alright. We got a Chimchar, a Dino, a Tangela, a Krogonk, a how you say his name? Oshawott, a reverse hollow Drifloon, and the rare is a Yanmega. Wow. A special charge, a Clang, a Claw Fossil Enrith. Oh, I might as well give you guys this code card since you saw it by accident. I was going to give you a code card anyway, so enjoy. Hopefully some last pack magic for Moltres. We got a Mareep, a Clink, a Seedot, a Ponrid, a Drifloon, a reverse hollow Apom, and the rare is, ooh, a nice Poke Ranger trainer. That definitely deserves a sleeve. We're gonna put that in here. We're gonna add that to the collection. We got another Claw Fossil, an Anorith, and a Hawlucha. Alright. So, Moltres, got some good cards right there. That's nice. Let's go with Zapdos. Let's see what Zapdos is going to give us. Hopefully we do good. I don't know. A pack just fell. Maybe hopefully it's because of the weight. Let me put my pin over here. Where did Moltres go? Oh shoot! He got stuck in the pack. There you go. By the way, I'm creating something for all the pins. You're gonna see it. It's gonna look nice. All right, so let's continue with Steam Siege. Oh no, this is the breakthrough pack actually. Yeah, let's see what we got in breakthrough. Probably not gonna get anything. And continue with Steam Siege. So. We got a Snover, a Froakie, a Zora, chest pin, another chest pin with double chest pin pack, a reverse hollow Doduo, and the rare is a Hawlucha. Wow. A Wobbuffet, a Frogadier, and a Judge. Wow. That kind of sucked. Another Steam Siege pack. Alright. So we got a Seedot, a Clink, a Mareep, a Birdmite, a Fungus, a Reverse Hollow Nidoking, which is actually a rare. Alright, so at least we got a rare here. And, ooh, a Garvidaris GX. Look at that. Steam Siege giving me bank right now. Steam Siege normally never gets me anything. That's a nice little card right there. Look at that. You also got a Special Charge and a Clang. Oh, and a Claw Fossil. Another Claw Fossil, which I seem I'm going to get one in every single pack, huh? Steam Siege number 5 for this video. We got a Jolic, a Tangela, a Pawn Nerd, a Oshawott, a Nidoran Male, a Reverse Hollow Clink, and the rare is, ooh, a Maggie. Ooh, oh my god, I'm banking right now. Another EX. Loving this, loving this, loving this pull right now. Damn. Right now, looking Zapdos as being the beast, the GOAT right now. Got me 2 EXs. Whew. We got our Garvidaris Spirit Link that goes with the card. I got a Lampert, a Clef Key, and of course, a code card. Got it? Get it? Good. Now the last pack, Articuno the GOAT. I hope I get something. I mean, I like water types, man. Gotta do something for me. Here's Articuno the GOAT. Put that over there. Alright. Can we get 2 more EXs? I got 2 in one pack, so let's see. We got a Chimchar, a Nose Pass, a Litwick, a Dino, Ponyta, a Reverse Hollow Judigon, and the rare is a Probopass, Special Charge, Clang, Claw Fossil on Marith. Wow. Come on, Articuno. Don't do me wrong, Articuno. We got a Pawn Nerd, a Ponyta, a Clink, a Mantine, a Jolic, a Reverse Hollow Krogunk, and the rare is... Wow. Not even a rare, nothing. Just Captivating Pokepuff, a Drifloon, and a Ninja Boy. Wow, Articuno 0 for 2, man. Alright, Articuno. It's the last pack. We're not doing good with any water types, man. We got another Pawn Nerd, a Ponyta, a Clink, a Mantine, a Jolic, a Reverse Hollow Yanmega, and the rare is a Spirit Bomb, Captivating Pokepuff, a Flaffy, a Steelix Spirit Link, and a code card for you guys. Got it? Get it? Good. Well, you can't go wrong. Out of what, 9 packs? I got... Okay, got a full art here, got 2 EXs, and I got Reverse Hollow and a Hollow. Well, that's not that bad out of 9 packs. Can't ask for more. Anyways, just wanna please like, subscribe, comment, share, man. I got more coming. I got tons and tons of stuff to go through. I have tons of packs, and I'm gonna be doing way more than this. So, till next time, peace out, guys.